today I challenged myself and it was a little hard, but I think I got it done and I think I got it down. It was a family affair this morning. I was like trying to practice spring rolls, rolling them. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I did. We made the filling for the spring roll. What we're going to do, we're going to add some garlic. You see my garlic and ginger, rather. Add some garlic and ginger there. I'm just going to let that go for a couple of minutes. I used just a touch of sesame oil. We're going to let that get going. And then we're not going to hold it up too long. We're going to add mushrooms, some celery, carrots.
Lots of goodies.
Lots of good veggies and some shredded cabbage, which you know is very in this time of year. It looks a lot now, but it does wilt down to a lot of nothing. So just keep that in mind. Just add them mushrooms in there. And we've got some scallions there. And we're going to saute this up until it's wilted down. All right, so we'll let that get going. And I will show you how the stir fry looks once it's wilted down. And now we're going to roll them in rice paper. You have to use like warm water. So I boiled some water, but I'm just going to add a little bit of cool water so it's not too hot, because if it is too hot, it gets very, very sticky. All right, so this is how we're going to do the rice paper. We're going to keep the rigid side down, and this is what the rice paper looks like if you want to buy it. Blue Dragon spring roll. Right, so I'm going to keep this side down because it's going to go on a wet like a wet tea towel. We're going to do it very, very quickly. It says 12, it actually says a little bit longer than 12 seconds, but I actually found it really helped when I did it a little less. So with our filling that I just showed you, also to that filling I added a little bit of soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar and some crushed peppers. But this one's all prepared. So we're going to put a little bit of the filling on top. And hopefully I won't break the paper because I broke a few this morning. Right, so we're going to turn it in. Okay, and you've got to try and keep it as tight as possible. Then you're going to bring over the side of the paper to the other side. Do the same thing. Whoops. It gets very sticky, so you've got to be quick doing it. Yeah, you have to
put your fingers with water all the time.
Yeah, I can do that. And you keep rolling it. Oh my God, they come out pretty good. Ridges down, right? Quick dip. The warm water.
We'll start getting it soft.
Without getting it too soft, but soft enough that you can roll it. Which is a little bit down on that side. We're going to put some of the filling inside. And are we ready? We're going to roll, turn it over to the sides. Oops, hold on. This one didn't go as planned. 1 sec. Roll it. Roll it, and there you go. Wow, not bad. Okay, so I did that. Perfect. All right, so while that's sauteing, I have something else to show you because we're talking about liver health, and I'll show you the end results once I've cooked this, because you're going to put this in a small pan with a little bit of olive oil and just cook on the outside so it's nice and crispy. All right, but I'm going to show you something else that I did because it's liver week. And we're going to come over here and I'm going to be making a liver cleanse. I learned this recipe a while ago by one of our first nutritionists at Smart. About 15 years ago, we worked together. And she showed us a liver cleanse, which is so good for you, and it tastes really good. And It's a little crazy what it is, but you're gonna see, and it really does taste delicious. We're gonna use whole lemons. So we're gonna, even with the skin, everything, we're gonna chuck them in our blender. And we're gonna add some ice. Not too much, we need enough room for it to blend. And then fresh pineapple juice. So I have some pineapple juice here. And we're gonna do that halfway. And we're gonna blend it. And then we're gonna put it from sieve. And we're gonna take it in a jug. And this actually tastes so good. You should really try it.
It doesn't taste too bitter?
No, not at all.
From the lemon rind? Oh, interesting.
No, it's just really quick. I believe with the pineapple juice, it just sweetens it perfectly. And the ice.
Wow, I need to do it.
I make this a lot for my family and they love it. Okay, so there, you know, and you just repeat. If you want to make like a jug of it, you know, you've got a lot of people in the house because I know mine line up for it. They love it. And as I mentioned, like Rose was showing me this a long time ago and I absolutely adore it. So I do make it quite often. Alrighty, so that's the juice done. So let me show you how the spring rolls come out and the lemon water. Okay, so this is how our spring rolls come out after you pan fry them, just for a minute, just for a sec, just to give it a nice little coating. I made a little bit of soy sauce with rice wine vinegar, some hot chili and garlic with sesame seeds, and garnished with cilantro. So that's your spring rolls, all vegetarian. And you can add, you know, if you want to and you're able to, you can add chopped up shrimp in there, you can add chicken, whatever you desire. Anything can go in, any vegetable that you really like goes in there. Mine was mushrooms, carrots, and cabbage this morning. And this is your lemon drink. Your lemon drink right there.
It's beautiful.
What we'll do, because I have plenty of lemons, is a lemon water, because we have the lemon juice as well today. I wanted to just show you the other spring rolls that I did. So now I've basted, you see, they all come out. Just a little crispy on the outside and that beautiful filling.
Oh, yum. It's delicious.